Hello. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about what is UX design. And in next video, I will talk about what is UI design. So, first, let's talk about what is UX design. So, basically, UX design is all about how you feel about the product. And product, it could be anything. It could be this mouse. How this mouse is makes and how you feel about this mouse. Is it easy to use or what difficulty you are facing? If let me give you an example. If this mouse wheel is behind the is at the back of this mouse, it will definitely create a lot of problem for you. So these things matters a lot, and you have to keep in mind. And whoever is working in the design process of this mouse, so they have to keep in mind so many things. Either the charging button is on the right side or not. If people are facing any kind of difficulty while moving this mouse, right button, left button, where is it? Everything we have to keep in mind. And same as when we decide, it's all about user experience. How the user, me, you, and anybody who is going to use that product think about that product. So we have to keep in mind these things while designing and start designing this process. And most important thing is what your competitors are doing. If that product already exists in the market, what changes you can make to make that product better, and is there any need for this product, or you are just wasting your time. And for that, make sure, either let me give you another example. Let's talk about Daraz and Food Panda app. When we use it, initially we were facing a lot of challenges while using those apps. First, we were not able to see proper address option, and we have to put or add two addresses in Food Panda or Daraz. I don't remember exactly the name of the app. So, but they take interviews. They took interviews and asked question to their viewers and users how we can make better, and they think, and they did all the research precisely that how can we make that product better. And then they frequently making changes on these apps. It's a long term process. So we have to keep in mind. Let me give you and tell you the process of it. First, we find out the problem, what problem we are solving, and then then the next step is that we explain that problem in detail with every aspect. And then we just come up with different ideas that how can we make this app better, and what we can do to make the user experience more useful and good. So these are the steps. And then we did a lot of testing. We do lot of testing initially, frequently. And then what we do is we then give that app or anything to the user to test that product. If we find any kind of difficulty in that product, me or the user, so we just start our process all again from the ideation and think about it, that what made we mistake, and how can we make that product more better. So we have to keep in mind these things while designing. UX is the process of all the research, interviews, surveys, the ideation, and everything, defining the problem. So we have to keep in mind this in this process. It's all about process, user experience. कि कैसा है आपकी यूजर एक्सपीरियंस. So that's it for now.